Let's understand how aircraft are classified by weight. AUW stands for all-up weight. That's the total weight of an aircraft at takeoff. Light aircraft have an AUW below 7,000 kilograms. These include training aircraft, private planes, and small turboprops. Cessna 172 is an example of it. A medium aircraft have an AUW above 7,000 kilograms. Think regional jets and short-haul commercial aircraft, like the Airbus A320. Heavy aircrafts weigh more than 136,000 kilograms. Most wide-body airliners fall into this category. Boeing 767 is the best example of it. And then comes the giant, super-heavy aircraft with an AUW over 560,000 kilograms, like the Airbus A380. These weight categories affect runway length, ATC separation, and airport operations.